Everybody's welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, welcome. I'm Tashia Perez. For today's video, I'm going to be filming this look right here. It's a little Coachella kind of look. I give you two ways of wearing this look. I had this look in mind. I don't know, I'm into colors lately, like putting color into my shadows. Normally I'm a neutral kind of gal, but I had envisioned this kind of makeup look. But yes, if you guys want to see how I did this look and how you can achieve it and what products I use, then stay tuned to my video. Bye. I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palettes, and I'm going to pick up first the yellow shade that's right here. I'm going to be taking a Royal and Nickel brush. I'm going to take that yellow shade and take it all over my eyes as high as I can up to my brow. What I'm doing now is I'm just going ahead in swirling motion, making sure it's evenly blended out. Pick up this orange shade right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that right. Why does that look pink? Ew, that's a shimmer. Whatever, we'll deal with it. It didn't look shimmery when I'm looking at it. This whole time I had this palette and I didn't know that was like a shimmer. But whatever. I'm going to take this orange shade and I'm going to put that right underneath the yellow. But I'm going to take that right as close to my crease. And I'm going to do the same motion with it. I am going to distribute it all over my lid with a windshield wiper motion. Just getting it right all over. And just blends out that orange a little more, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add more of that orange shade on again. And if the yellow somehow gets lost with this orange, you can always go back with that brush you use and add more yellow, and this will help blend the colors together to have that nice seamless look. This is the 5th time I'm adding this shade, and this is going to be the last time I add this shade. Now I'm going to go in with this pink shade, and I'm going to take the BH Cosmetics 119 brush. I'm going to add it on until I get the desired shade and intensity that I am looking for. This is going to be the 3rd time I'm adding that pink shade. Okay, now this is another BH Cosmetic brush, and I am going to pick up the darkest purple that's in this palette. And I'm going to apply it right under the pink, as close into my crease as I can possibly get. So, okay, I got it into the intensity that I wanted. I built it up to about 5 times. I believe I put that purple on. Now taking that Morphe N321 brush and just blending that and melting it into the other colors, that there's no harsh line. I want the blue on my lid to be really pigmented, so I'm going to go in with my CC Beauty Flash Color Palette. And clearly I'm going to go in with the blue shade. So this is like a paint, very similar to the Makeup Forever Flash palette. So this is a good dupe if you don't have the funds to go ahead and buy this. And I never used the Makeup Forever Flash palette, but this one is really good and really pigmented. So I'm going to go in with this. And I'm going to go in with a regular flat shader brush and pat this right in. And I'm going to put that right on my lid. With another flat shader brush, I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. You can't see because of the ring light. It's making it super bright. But I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill. I'm going to go in with the shade Twerk, which is this shade right. I'm going to go ahead and set that blue shade. I'm just going to go ahead and pat this on. Patting motion. This came out so pretty. I'm so happy I decided to use that paint palette. Oh my god, this came out so gorgeous. God. Oh my god. I think I'm going to legit one day just use this paint palette and that blue from the Jaclyn palette for an eye look in itself. Guys, I literally cannot stop staring at this blue eyeshadow. It's so fucking gorgeous. Jesus, I have damn myself with this color. For all the colors that got lost in this eye look, I'm going to go ahead and add those colors back on. So starting off with the yellow. Now I'm going in with the orange shade. And that pink shade. Now I'm going back in with that purple shade. Taking the LA Splash to Midnight Elixir, I'm going to add this to my lash line to create a wing. And then I'm going to go in with the LA Splash Crystallized Glitter and Mai Tai. But I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Aqua Primer Mist. This has legit been my fave thing to literally use. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to block my eyes. I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Primer. Now I'm going to go in with the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer. I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Golden Beige. Now taking the Crown brush with BoxyCharm, I'm going to go ahead and just tap that right into my skin. Now I'm just going to take my makeup sponge and just press that right into my skin, making sure everything's evenly blended. So, per usual, I'm going in with my two favorite products right here, which is the Wet n Wild Concealer and the Wet n Wild Contour Stick. The concealer is Light Ivory and the contour stick is called Call Me Maple. I use this concealer every time I do my makeup, literally every time I do my makeup, and I am running out. You guys, I must have a meltdown. Oh, I found the, just gonna get closer, just to get right under my eye. So I'm going to go in with the Airspun Loose Face Powder. Go ahead and just press that into my skin. Every product. I'm going to go in with BH Cosmetics Forever Nude, Sculpt and Glow. So this palette has a contour, highlight, and a blush. So you have two contour shades, the blush, highlight. With the banana shade that's here and the Forever Nude Sculpt and Glow palette from BH Cosmetics, I'm going to take this banana shade right here. And taking my Real Technique sponge, I'm going to go ahead and just glide it in. And I'm going to press it right into my under eye area. Taking a brush and I'm like blending it in a swiping motion. I'm taking the BH Cosmetic brush from the Fan Faves, I believe the brush set is called, and this is the number 114 brush. And taking the lightest shade first and contour my face. You don't have to go too hard or too heavy with the contour because you have already, you know, basically contoured with a cream. So you already have that nice contoured shade into your face. So you don't have to go too crazy or too hard, not unless you're about that life. And now I'm just gonna go right here on the jawline area. Taking my Morphe M441 brush, this is the brush I use to contour my nose. Taking that light middle shade in that palette and just passing it along my nose. Now I'm going to take my crown brush. I'm going to take that blush. It has a nice luminous look to my cheeks. Now I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit. And I think I want to go mix the nice frosty shade, which is Forever Lit, and Kitty Cat together. And I start from the apples of my cheeks because that's where I want the most glow. And then I bring it upwards. Whew, Jesus. I'm going to take a lippy pen from ColourPop. This is London Fog, my waterline. Now I'm going to take the BH Cosmetics number 8 brush, and I'm going to take the red shade here, and I'm going to add that right into my bottom lash line. I'm actually going to take the purple and make it pop out some more. That same purple we use on the top of our eye. Now I'm taking the Jordana lip liner in the shade Chill Brandy, and I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. So I'm going to take the BH Cosmetics Illuminate by Ashley Tisdale liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Tokyo. That lip pencil, and I'm just gonna pat it into my lip. Now I'm going to take the Pixie plus Chloe Morello, and this is their lip icing cake, and I'm just going to pat that right into the center of my lip. This thing smells so good. Now I'm going to go in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and I'm going to go set my face. Now this right here is the finished look. Now, you can leave it like this, and you can go to your Coachella or wherever you want to go with this bomb makeup look. But since I did say this is going to be a Coachella look, like I said, you can go like this, but I want to add a little bit of extra flavor, you know what I mean, to this look. So I'm going to add some jewels. I'm going to just go and use different colors. I'm gonna use my Till Midnight elixir to just add these jewels on as I go. So I'm gonna put the jewel right there in the middle. You guys go. I have added the jewels right here in the center and 2 on the side. And this right here is the finished look with the jewels. You can go with the regular eye makeup if you so choose, or you can go be extra and add the jewels on. If I was going to Coachella, I would add the jewels on, but unfortunately I'm not going to Coachella. I'm going to Homechella. That is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I truly appreciate you guys taking time out from your day. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. And while you there by the subscribe button, make sure you hit the little bell button so that you guys can be notified when I put up new videos. All my social media outlets will be listed down below. So if you guys create this look, be sure to tag me. I will have my discount codes listed down below in the description box as well for the makeup companies that I am affiliated with, so you guys can save a little money on whatever makeup products you so choose to buy. Yeah, I think that's all for this video. I really do appreciate you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this look, give this video a thumbs up and tell me what is your favorite part about this look in the comments down below. But that is all. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.